Hey buddy, how y'all doing? My name is Brian Wilson. I'm just here to show you how to use your Canvas portfolio, especially incoming freshmen, because you're going to really need to know how to use it. So right now we're on my page, and this is like my previous that I had in the spring, this last spring. Right now we're on the main page where you got on your right you got your classes, all your courses and everything. Then when you come to the left, you got everything that you need to know when you come in the St. Hall, or what you're missing so you can keep informed and stay updated. Like with your schedule, your ledger, payment plan, financial aid, housing, and your tax forms, also your grades, transcripts, or anything that you want to know. So we're going to start with the classes first. I took 5 classes, of course, but that's different. But right now we're going to go finite math. Like right here, right now, y'all see all the course information, all the stuff that you're going to need, and plus your assignments, where you can upload and see all your graded assignments. So that way, you just won't have to like hit up your professor, see what's going on, unless you have a question. So we're gonna go to course documents. There's nothing there, of course, because we barely did anything. But when I go back to my courses and click back on back right here, when you go back, you click on any classes you want to see, whatever. That way, you just don't have to click the backspace button like everybody do. So we're gonna go to my assessments and grades. Don't pay attention. That's just an example. But this is simple what it is. Like you see all your grades and stuff, find the F's and everything. B's and H's, but it's whatever. But this is basically what you're gonna see. So we're gonna go back to my courses. You got your credits right here. I'm seeing how many credits you're going to take. You also got the department on what class or basically what class you have to take or anything. Because biology, business, history, math. You got an ID number. That's really important in case you want to add a class, drop a class, or if you need help. We'll try to figure out if you do take summer school, if you're planning to, or once you come here, you can figure out what you need, especially depending on your major. We're going to come to my ledger. This is basically showing off your balance. Your billing ledger is basically showing off like anything that you owe or have left over at your balance. I have no balance, as you can see, but that's mainly it on what you need to know about that. But then you got your financial aid. Sorry about that. Your financial aid shows you all the stuff that you've been awarded to and accepted. As you can see right here, I've been accepted like for the fall, spring, and that really helps a lot. So it helps keep tracking. And we're gonna go to housing. Housing also shows you it shows you where your room assignment, what building you're staying in, showing your fees on what your meal plan, basically what you're gonna have when you come in St. Hall, and so that way it can help you keep track, like I told you before. But also, if you want, you don't have to have blue. I just like blue because that's my favorite color. But you can also pick orange, green, purple. You can choose any color you want, or when the fall semester ends, you can go ahead and switch it. Then tax forms, you do get taxes at the school, but mainly your tax form just that shows what you're getting from the school, but it's helping you. Then of course you got your grades, my grades, transcripts, courses management. Let's go back up here. You got document tracking, so that's basically all the documents that you have coming to St. Aug, like application, final official high school transcript, SAT, ACT scores, enrollment, police background report, basically all the information that the school's going to need from you. So that way you can already go ahead and sign up classes 10, so that way you won't have any problems. Your calendar, you know what that is. You can basically set that up, make sure you got assignments, due dates, everything set up for you. It's cool to know. It's like the mini calendar with a lot of information y'all can do. It's cool. I like it. Helps a lot. So the next thing I want to show you is